Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, we will be learning how to change voice language in AFK Arena. So let's get started. First of all, open the AFK Arena application on your mobile device, and once you're in the game, tap on your profile avatar at the top left corner of the screen. Now, click on the settings button appearing at the bottom, and once you are inside the settings menu, tap on the Voices option from the menu. A list of available language will appear. Choose the language you want for in-game voiceovers from the list and click on Confirm. Right after you click Confirm, go ahead and download the voice language set if prompted. And right after you do that, you will be able to change the voice language. You can now enjoy the game with voiceovers in your selected language, and that's it. You've successfully changed the voice language in AFK Arena, enhancing your gaming experience in the language of your choice. If you found the tutorial helpful, make sure to go ahead and give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe for more AFK Arena tips and gaming guides. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.